Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to CUBOT King Kong 7. Firstly, open Play Store on both to download free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Now you need to set it up. I will start with King Kong. Click on I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then select Confirm, Continue and Allow. Now on the second one. I agree and I acknowledge. Confirm. Continue. Allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can select Not Now if you wish to. To close it, hit OK. Then click on Close in white pop-up at the top. And to get rid of personalization pop-up, tap on History at the bottom of both smartphones. Then click on the best option for you and decide if you want to personalize your ad experience. Wherever you decided, select Close this window. And then click on Receive right next to History on King Kong 7. Now tap on Send at the bottom left corner of an Android. Also on an Android, thanks to all of those categories available at the top, you can select all of your files that you wish to send. In some of those categories, like Contacts, you need to select Allow a couple of times. I will go with a couple of photos, just for example. So when you're done picking all of your files, click on Send next to Selected at the bottom. Then click on Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way is better for you. If you want to connect by scanning this QR code, click on the scanning icon above User Guide on CUBOT. Then allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. If you prefer to input this key, click on Input Key section and type in all of those numbers. Last but not least, hit Receive. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!